पिछली दफ़ा आप हमारे साथ यहाँ फेस फेस्टिवल में आई थी 2017 में. पिछले साल आपने छुट्टी कर ली थी. तो काम के लिहाज से एक्टिंग आपका जो प्रोफेशन है उसके लिहाज से क्या मसरूफियात हैं? बेशक अभी नहीं, आगे जाके या पिछले 1.5 साल?
पिछले 1.5 साल से you know this year has been it's been really good actually, at least the first half of it. एक फिल्म जिसमें मेरा दिल अटका हुआ था बहुत लंबे अरसे से, वो बनाई, वो ख़त्म हुई, and I finally felt like I did something that I loved, and I feel like बहुत अरसा हो गया था कि मैंने नहीं किया था, बहुत अरसा हो गया था कि मैंने उन लोगों के साथ काम नहीं किया था. And when I say the people that I like working with, I don't mean directors or producers. I mean I missed my crew, you know, like the makeup artist और मेरा वही चाय वाला जो हम सफ़र के टाइम पे होता. So I felt like I've come home. So that way I've had a very good year, mashallah.
And we're talking about Superstar here.
We're talking about Superstar.
I think is undoubtedly one of the most successful films of 2019. Superstar में क्यों दिल अटका था? What is that thing जो Superstar की तरफ दिल अटक गया?
I really don't know.
2-3 साल से मायरा, right? That it's the character, it's the story. हमने definitely एक evolution ज़रूर देखी. It's a new मायरा.
Really?
एक मायरा जो जैसे कुछ ऐसा उसने push किया मज़ीद अपने comfort zone को भी, be it in terms of say आपका acting method या that ease with owning the screen, the dances, the costumes, it's a filmy film, like a good filmy film.
Yes, actually one of my wishes is to one day make Superstar as a director 20 years from now. Okay. That's one of my dreams.
Can it be about an aging actor who then wants to reinvent his life?
Yeah.
Superstar.
Are you going to star in it?
Yes. I want to be directed by you.
Really? Okay, done. Yeah, it will be more grittier though. So जब मैं Superstar के बारे में सोचती थी, मुझे हर चीज़ ज़रा messy लगती थी when I used to think about it. Not as proper as it was made, you know. Junior artist है तो वो I don't know, मुझे ऐसा लगता था ये मैं ऐसे करूँगी. But obviously it's the way the producer and the director want to do it. But Superstar में एक बात थी, कुछ था, ये लड़की है, उसका ये ख्वाब है. I felt very connected to her, you know. I don't know, there was something about this film that I just loved.